I just finished installing this snazzy kitchen sink that I bought from Homary.com. It costs about $400. It's pretty slick. And here I'm gonna just share some functionalities of this kitchen sink, and also I want to share some lessons learned that I experienced from the installation process. All right, starting from left, the first thing is a cup washer or glass washer. The second thing is a soap dispenser. Okay. I don't have anything in there now. This third thing, the original installation was for a drain control. I'm gonna go into the details a little bit later. But anyways, right now what you're seeing is a dishwasher air gap. I think sometimes it's called a breather. It's a anti-siphoning device. So if your drain is clogged, the dirty water is gonna come out of here instead of going back to the dishwasher. All right, next to that is 4 buttons. You press them and the water is gonna come out of one of the 4 places. All right, I'm gonna display that a little bit later. And here's just the main faucet. And in this location, there would be a digital display. And during installation, I was kind of confused because in the picture that they showed online, there's a digital display. And I don't see anywhere you can put in batteries, and also I don't see where you can plug in the power for this. So it turns out to be it's pretty clever. They actually have a mini power generator. It's propelled by the water flow. So once the water is turned on, you're going to see something. You're going to see the display of the temperature. All right. Then this knob says off. That's the main control of the water. It actually controls the shut-off valve. If you turn to the left, you turn on the water, and then turn furthermore, it's gonna raise the temperature. And the last thing here is a water dispenser for reverse osmosis water purification systems. If you have one, it's just a 1/4-inch tubing that you shove in from the bottom. There's not much to it. All right, that's just an overview, and here I want to share some experiences about the drain system. They actually supply a fairly fancy drain system. You see here. In this location, originally they would have this turn knob. So you rotate it, it will control the opening of the drain from full open to full shut. Okay. The problem with that is most households are equipped with a garbage disposal. So if you want to use the garbage disposal, you cannot use their factory drain system. And in my opinion, the garbage disposal is far more useful than the fancy drain. So what I end up doing is just take advantage of this location. I use it for the dishwasher breather. Okay, so that is that. And the second thing I want to share is here is for the overflow. Okay, I had it filled up now. It would have this little I don't know what you call it, this thing on the back side of the sink, on the outside of the sink, and the overflow would come out, and this little hose would be connected to the drain system. Since I'm not using their factory drain system, there's nowhere for this pipe to land. So I ended up just not using it, and I filled it with epoxy. And I'm gonna, at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you the how I did it. That's pretty much everything. Another thing worth mentioning is the instruction manual is not too much. It's just a one-pager, and also in very small print. But actually, it does deliver the sufficient information. Okay. When you open the box, there are a lot of parts, and seemingly could be overwhelming. But if you read through the manual, it's actually not that bad. This is the main on-off valve. The manufacturer recommended that you always leave it on off position when not in use. So the first thing you do is just turn it to the left. And here's the glass washer. And I think in some models they have this thing activated by just pushing down the cup, and this one doesn't have it. So then you just press this button here. This button here will have water coming out of this place. And then the main faucet. And then the next one is this waterfall here. And this is what I mean by the temperature display. So you turn it to the right all the way, the water temperature is going to go up. I turn it off. All right, that's it. Hopefully this video can help you with the decision of purchase, and also probably can give you some ideas during installation. Thanks for watching. This sink retains a lot of water droplets, so if you put a coat of WD-40, that will minimize the water stain.